Yo, what's up everyone, it's GG here, and today we're talking about something that's going to completely change your YouTube game. We're talking about AI video generators. And no, this isn't some futuristic concept, this is happening right now. These tools are like having a whole production team at your fingertips, ready to help you pump out amazing content without the usual grind. We're talking about going from idea to finished video faster than ever before. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, these AI tools are going to blow your mind. We're going to break down the top 5 AI tools that are absolutely killing it right now. We're talking about everything from scripting and editing to full-blown video generation, all powered by AI. So, if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of YouTube productivity, stick around because things are about to get seriously interesting. Let's get right into it. First up, we're diving into the world of Pika Labs. Now this tool is all about speed and simplicity. Imagine this. You have an idea for a video, but you don't want to spend hours messing around with complicated software. That's where Pika Labs comes in. Pika Labs is like the Discord of AI video creation. It's all about that quick, easy workflow. You can type in a script and boom, Pika Labs turns it into a video. We're talking animated explainers, social media ready snippets, all with professional polish. Pika Labs is in beta and free to use. Dive in and start experimenting without spending a dime. For anyone starting out or testing AI video, Pika Labs is perfect. The possibilities are endless. Need a quick explainer video? Pika Labs. Want an eye-catching social media post? Pika Labs has you covered. It's all about making video creation accessible to everyone. Next up, we're taking a look at Haen, a tool that gives your videos a professional edge without the effort. Stunning visuals, slick templates, and full customization to match your brand. Think of Haen as your personal video studio with AI magic. A massive library of templates for any type of video. It's incredibly user-friendly. Even beginners can create high-quality content in minutes. The process is so intuitive it's almost like cheating. What sets Haen apart is its AI avatars and voices. Get a professional voiceover without hiring a voice actor. Need an AI avatar for your brand? Haen delivers. And it's incredibly affordable. Haen proves you don't need a big budget for professional videos. Now, let's talk about Deep Brain AI, and this is where things start to get really interesting. Deep Brain AI is taking AI video generation to a whole new level with its hyper-realistic AI avatars. I'm talking about avatars that look and sound so real, you'll forget you're watching an AI. Imagine this, you need to create a training video for your team, but you don't have the time or resources to film with real people. With Deep Brain AI, you can generate an entire video featuring an AI avatar that delivers your message with perfect clarity and emotion. And it's not just about training videos. Deep Brain AI is perfect for tutorials, explainer videos, even customer service content. Imagine having a 24/7 AI representative that can answer customer questions and provide support, all through engaging video content. But here's the real game changer. Deep Brain AI allows you to create content in multiple languages. That's right, you can break down those language barriers and reach a global audience without needing a team of translators or voice actors. And let's talk about cost effectiveness. Deep Brain AI can significantly reduce the time and cost of traditional video production, all while maintaining a level of quality that rivals human-created content. Moving on to Colossian, and this tool is all about breaking down language barriers and connecting with a global audience. If you've ever wanted to create videos in multiple languages without the hassle of hiring translators and voice actors, Colossian is your new best friend. Colossian uses AI to generate incredibly realistic human avatars that can speak in over 70 languages. That's right, 70. Whether you're targeting a specific region or want to make your content accessible to the entire world, Colossian has got you covered. But it's not just about the language capabilities. Colossian's AI actors are capable of displaying a wide range of emotions, making your videos more engaging and relatable. We're talking about subtle nuances in facial expressions and tone of voice that make all the difference. And let's not forget about customization. Colossian gives you complete control over the look and feel of your videos. You can choose from a variety of backgrounds, add your own branding elements, and even adjust the lighting and camera angles. Colossian is perfect for creating professional training videos, explainer videos, and any type of content where clear and concise communication is key. Last but not least, we have InVideo, and this tool is the definition of an all-in-one solution. InVideo is like having a full-fledged video editing suite, but with the power of AI built right in. We're talking about a massive library of stock footage, music tracks, and customizable templates, all at your fingertips. Whether you're creating YouTube intros, tutorials, or promotional videos, InVideo has got the assets you need to bring your vision to life. But here's where InVideo really shines: its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Even if you've never edited a video before, you can jump into InVideo and start creating professional-looking content within minutes. And for all you content marketers out there, InVideo is a game-changer. They've got templates specifically designed for different social media platforms, so you can create content that's optimized for maximum engagement. But it's not just about templates and assets. InVideo also offers AI-powered features like script generation and automated voiceovers, making it easier than ever to create high-quality video content at scale. So there you have it, guys, the top 5 AI tools that are changing the game for YouTubers. We've got Pika Labs for quick and easy video creation, Haen for that professional touch, Deep Brain AI for mind-blowing realism, Colossian for going global, and InVideo for the ultimate all-in-one solution. These tools are packed with features that are going to save you time, money, and a whole lot of effort. And the best part, they're constantly evolving and getting even better. AI is changing the video creation landscape, and there's no better time to jump in and start experimenting. So, which one of these tools are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments down below, and maybe we'll do a deep dive on one of these in a future video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.